Good morning, dear students. Welcome to second sem engineering mathematics class. In previous class, we discussed about conic sections, and in that conic sections, we are discussed about parabola and standard equation also we discussed, and definition and its forms and parts of the parabola we are learned. And today we will learn some more problems on parabola. So today's class objectives: on completion of this class, you would be able to learn to find the vertex, focus, etc. of a given parabola. To find the equation of parabola when it passes through given points with axis or directrix parallel to one of the coordinate axes. So, can you name any two conic sections? We will recap what yesterday or in previous class we learned. What is the eccentricity of an ellipse? What is the focus of y square equals to 4ax? What is the axis of a parabola? So, first we will remember or we will recall what we learned in previous class. Can you name any two conic sections means? We discussed in previous class, mainly we say the conic sections are parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. So any two means we can say parabola and ellipse. What is the eccentricity of an ellipse? The ellipse eccentricity is less than 1, and for parabola equal to 1. For eccentricity, ellipse is in ellipse, an ellipse eccentricity is less than 1, and in hyperbola eccentricity is greater than 1. What is the focus of y square equals to 4ax? It is a first form and it is the standard equation of the parabola, and we also discussed the focus of this standard form. So its focus is lies on its axis, that is x-axis, and at the distance of a from origin 0, 0. So the focus is point is a, 0. It is a fixed point and it is from the distance of small a from origin to the point focus. So focus is point is a, 0. Next, what is the axis of a parabola? So axis of a parabola means which is passing through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix. And here in the standard form, x-axis we can say axis of a parabola, and this axis of a parabola is cuts the parabola in a symmetric way. and the axis is acts like a symmetric of the parabola. So different forms of parabolas and some important results. So there are so many forms. Here we discuss 8 forms. For first 4 forms, the origin or vertex is 0, 0, and another 4 forms h, k. So there are first 4 forms with vertex 0, 0, and another 4 forms vertex is h, k. So see the first form. Equation of the parabola is y square equals to 4ax. We discussed this standard equation in previous class, detailed with diagrams also. So here the focus is a, 0. Equation of axis y equals to 0. Equation of directrix is x equals to minus a, and length of lattice rectum is 4a. Equation of lattice rectum, x equals to a, and the diagram is in this, like in this figure. And second form and second equation, we can say y square equals to minus 4ax, and vertex is 0, 0, focus minus a, 0. Equation of axis y equals to 0, and directrix is x equals to a. Length of lattice rectum is 4a. And equation of lattice rectum is x equals to minus a, and the diagram is like this. This is opposite direction of the first form. In the first form, the figure is formed right side of the origin. In the second form, parabola is formed left side of the origin. And if you observe the parts of the parabolas, so the sign will be changed, most of the parts. Next, third form, x square equals to 4ay. So vertex 0, 0, and focus 0, a. See here, the focus is given on ordinate. That means the focus is on the y-axis, and equation of axis is x equals to 0, because equation of y-axis is x equals to 0, and equation of directrix is y equals to minus a, and length of lattice rectum is 4a. Equation of lattice rectum, y equals to a. So this is the figure which is upwards on y-axis as a axis of parabola, and here the parabola is similarly first form, but in the first form we give the preference to x-axis. Here we give the preference to y-axis. So if we observe the first form, all are x equals to equations generally. Here y equals to. Next, opposite to the third form is called fourth form. That is the equation of parabola x square equals to minus 4ay, and vertex is origin, that is 0 comma 0, and focus is 0 comma minus a, and equation of axis x equals to 0, equation of directrix y equals to a, length of lattice rectum 4a, and equation of lattice rectum y equals to minus a. So the diagram is reverse of the above diagram. Next, another four forms we will discuss here, and its vertex is not a origin. That means vertex is here we take h comma k. So vertex is changes, then obviously equation of the parabola also changes. So we can write y minus k whole square equals to 4a into x minus h. Next, vertex h comma k, focus h plus a comma k, because here vertex is changed and the focus is some more distance from vertex, so that's why focus is changed as h plus a comma k. Then equation of the axis y equals to k, and equation of directrix x equals to h minus a, length of lattice rectum 4a, and equation of lattice rectum equals to x equals to h plus a. So the figure is like this. Similarly, it is a first form, but origin is here not a vertex. Here vertex is a h comma k. That's why remaining are changed according to the vertex. So similarly, the opposite direction we call sixth form, and equation of the sixth form is y minus k whole square equals to minus 4a into x minus h, and vertex is h comma k, and focus is h minus a comma k, and equation of axis is y equals to k, and equation of directrix x equals to h plus a, length of lattice rectum is 4a, and equation of lattice rectum is x equals to h minus a. So the figure we can see here opposite direction of the above figure. And now we will go for seventh form, and it is similarly like third form, that is x minus h whole square equals to 4a into y minus k. So vertex is h comma k, and focus is h comma k plus a, Here focus we are giving priority to ordinate, so it means axis is mm, parallel to y-axis. Here axis means parabola axis. Next, equation of axis is x equals to h, and equation of directrix is y equals to k minus a. Length of lattice rectum is 4a, and y equals to k plus a. So the parabola is like this. It is similarly third form, but in the third form vertex is 0 comma 0, here h comma k. So this is the main difference to third and from third to seventh. Now eighth form, it is similarly seventh form but opposite direction, only direction is changes. So if in seventh form, if it is a positive, here we take negative, that is the little change. So here equation of parabola is x minus h whole square equals to minus 4a into y minus k, and vertex h comma k, and focus h comma k minus a, and equation of axis x equals to h, equation of directrix y equals to k plus a, and length of lattice rectum 4a, equation of lattice rectum y equals to k minus a, and the figure is this. So these are the 8 forms, and these parts are given in a table to understand easily, and if the questions are came, we can understand the table and we can write, or we can understand from diagram also. We can make, or we can frame the formulas, and we can find what the parts are asking, or what the parts are we need. So here one question is given, find the vertex, focus, lattice rectum, directrix, and length of lattice rectum of the parabola x square equals to 16y. So first of all we have to observe the equation, and we can decide which form it is. So if we observe the equation, x square equals to 16y means it is the third form. So in the table we knew 8 forms. From that 8 forms, it is belongs to third form. So solution, x square equals to 16y is the given equation of the parabola. So we can write it as a 4 into 4y. So x square equals to 4ay. Comparing with the standard equation x square equals to 4ay, we can easily say a equals to 4. The vertex is a 0 comma 0, focus is 0 comma a, that is 0 comma 4. So vertex is indicated with a 0 comma 0, focus is s, and equation to lattice rectum is y equals to a, that is y equals to 4. That means y minus 4 equals to 0. Next equation to directrix is y equals to minus a, that is y plus 4 equals to 0. Here equations of lattice, rectum and directrix are both are opposite to the vertex, opposite directions. Length of lattice rectum for 8 forms we know 4a, that is 4 into a means 4, 4 into 4 16. In the parabola for 8 forms we can say length of lattice rectum is 4a. So like this we are easily find the what he has asked the parts of the parabola are related to the parabola. Next, find the vertex, focus, length of lattice rectum, directrix and length of lattice rectum of the parabola y square minus 4y plus 6x minus 8 equals to 0. So first we have to observe the equation and decide which form it shoots from the given table 8 forms. So here if you observe y square minus 4y and 4y we can write 2 into 2y. So 8 we can take from 8 we can write 4 plus 4. So a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square, that is y minus 2 whole square, that is y minus k whole square. So this is either 6th form or 7th form. We can take 6th form because both are very near, and if from any form either 6th or 7th you can find the related parts of the parabola. So express the equation in the form y minus k whole square equals to 4a into x minus h. Why? Because I already told you if you observe the first two terms of the equation we can say it is in the form of a square minus 2ab. So b square we can take from 8, number 8. So we can easily say y minus 2 whole square. So it is related to 5th form, 5th or 6th. So we can take 5th. So after conversion of the 5th form, we can then decide is it exactly 5th form or 6th form, because for 5th and 6th only right side minus or minus is and its sign is only difference. So next you can get the vertex, focus, etc. by substituting the values of h and k in the formula. So find the vertex, focus, lattice, rectum, directrix and length of lattice rectum of the parabola y square minus 4y plus 6x minus 8 equals to 0. First convert it into the similar to 5th or 6th form. So we can write it as a y minus 2 whole square plus 6x minus 12 equals to 0, and bring the left side terms to right side, that is bring 6x to right side is minus 6x and minus 12 it becomes plus 12. Then we can write y minus 2 whole square equals to, if we took minus 6 common from right side terms, we get minus 6 of x minus 2. So it is we can write y minus 2 whole square equals to minus 4 into 3 by 2 into x minus 2. So it is exactly in the form of sixth. The equation is of the form y minus k whole square equals to minus 4a into x minus h. So here where a equals to 3 by 2 and h equals to 2, k equals to 2. So vertex is h comma k, that is 2 comma 2. Focus is minus a plus h comma k, that is 1 by 2 comma 2. Next, equation of lattice rectum is x equals to minus a plus h, that is x equals to minus a means 3 by 2 plus h is 2, that is we can write x equals to 1 by 2, and we bring the 2 to the left side, it is multiply with x, then that is 2x equals to 1, and if we brought 1 also to the left side, it becomes negative 1, that is 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Next, equation to directrix is x equals to a plus h. So substitute a and h values, we will get the directrix, that is x equals to 3 by 2 plus 2, so 7 by 2, and we simplify, we will get 2x minus 7 equals to 0. Next, length of lattice rectum, we already know 4a, 4 into a is 3 by 2, and 2 2s are 4, so 3 into 2 6. So equation to parabola with axis parallel to x-axis or directrix parallel to y-axis is, so this is the formula. Equation to parabola with axis parallel to x-axis, that is, or directrix is parallel to y-axis, is x equals to ay square plus by plus c. And equation to parabola with axis parallel to y-axis or directrix is parallel to x-axis is y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So if it is axis is parallel to x-axis, the formula is x equals to ay square plus by plus c. Or it is axis is parallel to y-axis, then we can say y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. These are two formulas. And find the equation of parabola whose directrix is parallel to x-axis and which passes through the points 0 comma 2 comma minus 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 4. So here from given data we can write one formula, because whose directrix is parallel to x-axis means its axis is parallel to y-axis. So y-axis means y equal to ax square plus bx plus c is the equation of the parabola. So here we have to find a, b, c value, that's why I take it as the equation 1, and 3 points are given, so each and every point satisfies the parabola. So by substituting them in equation 1, we get c equals to 2. Consider it as a, or take it as a equation 2. And next point, if we substitute and simplify, you'll get 4 equals to a minus b plus c, and take it as a 3. And another point, 2 comma 4, if we substitute, we will get 4 equals to 4a plus 2b plus c, and consider it as, or take it as a 4. Solving the equations 2, 3, 4, a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, c equals to 2. You know how to solve. First substitute the c values and then equate the coefficients of either a or either b. Then subtract from one from another equation, then you will get either b or a. Then substitute in any equation, you will get another unknown value. So like this we solve and substitute the values in equation 1, then you get the equation of parabola. It is x square minus x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Summary. Today we have learned the following: to find the vertex, focus, equation to directrix, etc. of a given parabola. Yesterday also, or in previous class also, we discussed all these parts of the parabola are related to the parabola. But today in this class, we discuss not only one form, we discussed the remaining 7 form. That is yesterday's 1 and today's 7. Total 8 forms we are discussed. In that 8 forms, each part we are discussed here with diagrams, and easy to know and easy to understand and easy to observe and easy to differ or easy to compare. We are discussed in a tabular form. All parts are we kept in a tabular form or in table form at a glance, and we can observe what is the difference to each and every form, or first and second, or second to third, or first to fifth form. Mainly we can say some are different with only signs and some are different with x or y, and some are different with origin. If origin is changed or vertex is changed, total form is different or expanded, or some little bit large to the first form, or which is the vertex 0, 0, and compare with that h comma k vertex is there, so the form is a little bit bigger. So like this we discussed and we understand and we compared. So what is vertex, what is focus? Let me recall. Vertex means the axis where cuts the parabola, that point is called vertex, and focus is the fixed point is called focus, that is we indicated with S, and vertex is denoted by capital A. Equation to directrix means a fixed line, like focus is particular distance from vertex, and in the same way in the opposite direction again here directrix or fixed line is located with same distance, like focus is lies to the Suppose if the focus is lies right side of the vertex, in the same distance the directrix line is lies but in opposite direction to the vertex. So here vertex acts like a middle point of the directrix and focus. So directrix is nothing but a fixed line. Here in the parabola, the distance from vertex to directrix line and distance from vertex to focus is equal. So the fixed line is called the directrix. Generally it is noted by mn. We already started discussed including diagram also. Next, to find the equation of parabola passing through given points, so we can find the parabola, and if the passing through the points means that points should be satisfy the given equation, or what we are assuming the equation, or what we are considering the equation, that equation is satisfies that points. So based on that we did a problem, and at last we found the equation of the parabola. So frequently asked questions: find the vertex, focus, length of lattice, rectum, directrix, and here length of lattice rectum means in the beginning it is asked the equation of the lattice rectum, okay, of the parabola 3x plus 2y square plus 8y minus 4 equals to 0. First we have to observe the given equation, and we have to try it is transforms near to the which equation. We have 8 forms, and the given equation is which we can convert to the near of the 8 forms, or any one of the 8 forms. So if we observe this, y square means this y square, or we can convert it into a y minus k whole square. So we can say either it is a 5th form or 6th form. Then after conversion we can find easily, because comparing with 5th form or 6th form we can decide what is a, what is h, what is k. These are main points to find parts of the parabola related to the parabola. So if we got hka, that means we can find every part of the parabola. So the first form we can, it is near to 5th form or 6th. So both are same, only the direction is different, or sign is different. If right side the negative direction is negative is sign is came, then we can compare it with 6th form, otherwise 5th form. Still you have doubt, you can take any form, just 5th form or 6th form, only stick to any one form, you can get desired values. Either you go for 5th form or 6th form, no problem, but only any one form you can follow. If you are confusing, go 5th form. The 5th form is y minus k whole square equals to 4a into x minus h, and only 5th forms, vertex, 5th forms, everything you have to follow that 5th forms parts. Compare and substitute, you will get answer. Or if you think it is a 6th form, you are confused at negative sign, no problem, but at finally you will get same answers. So wherever you are confusing either fifth or sixth, just go any one of the form. Generally, if you confuse, take fifth form. Otherwise, you can clearly you can decide either it is fifth or sixth. If right side it is negative, it is sixth form. If it is not negative, it is fifth form. That is very clear. Still you have a doubt, you can go for positive form or any. If you go for negative form or sixth form also, no problem, because everything is like in the way it is, everything the parts are also according to that form. So it finally you will get same answers. Same like another question is also asked here. Find the vertex, focus, lattice, rectum, directrix, and length of lattice, rectum of the parabola. So here lattice, rectum, directrix means equations of that. And the given question is x square plus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. Here x square means we can transform it into x minus h whole square. So it is either 7th form or 8th. Then we can easily find the parts. So your third question, find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. So its axis is parallel to x-axis means we have to take x equals to ay square plus by plus c. To find ABC, we have to substitute the given points which are on the parabola. So after substituting and solving, we get ABC. Then in the formula, if we put ABC, we will get the parabola equation. Like similarly, the axis is parallel or directrix is parallel to y-axis means its axis is parallel to x-axis. See here, fourth one, find the equation of the parabola whose directrix is parallel to y-axis. Directrix is parallel to y-axis means its axis is parallel to x-axis. So that is, it is nothing but third question. Next, the fifth one, whose directrix is parallel to x-axis means it is the axis is parallel to y-axis. So you can take the equation y equals to ax square plus by plus c. Y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Then you can find the equation. And sixth one, find the vertex, focus, lattice, rectum, directrix, and length of lattice, rectum of the parabola 10 plus 9x plus 10y minus 5y square equals to 0. So y square means we can transform it into y minus k whole square. That means either it is fifth or sixth. Then we can compare, we will get the parts. Now the quiz. See the questions including options. What is the equation of directrix of y square equals to 28x? So directrix means, I already told you, it is the opposite direction of the focus, and it is the equation given is first form of the standard equation, that is 4ax means here a means 7 and Directrix is opposite to the focus, so we can say x equals to -7. So you observe the options, then we can select. Options are given: A is x equals to -7, B is x equals to 7, and C is x equals to 0. So answer is A. Next, what is focus of y square equals to 4x? So here a value is not given, means we can take that unit, that is 1. So 1 comma 0. So here also answer is A. Next, what is vertex of x square equals to -4ay? We already discussed the first 4 forms vertex is 0 comma 0. So the answer is C. Next, what is focus of y minus k whole square equals to 4a into x minus h? So focus is here, we can say h plus a, or a plus h comma k. So the answer is B. So these are all very easy. If we compare with the forms, then we will get the parts of the parabola. So you try similar problems from exercise, and if you have any doubts, ask me, or you can message me on WhatsApp, then I will clear your doubts. Have a nice day. Thank you.